This is an extraordinary piece of wood that I picked up from the day after the great storm in October of 1987, and it's a piece of church yew. And I'd cleared quite a few roads from Church Street to the East Dean Road and stuff with my chainsaw, and I was picking up hardwood all day, and on my way home I spotted one of the limbs had come off in the church yew. And I asked the Reverend if he didn't mind, and he was happy. He'd clear the path to the church, and I got 4 pieces, and 2 of them just split beyond repair. But this one, after 30 years, it just stabilised perfectly, and every single little tremor and shock from the storm, the great storm, is in it, and it is just an ancient piece of wood. And I've made it into the most basic of bowls, a Gruel Bowl, medieval Gruel Bowl. But some of the grain is so close with these old trees, the old yew trees, that in one piece there was over 100 years of grain in less than an inch. You know, it's just so startling how fantastic it is. But the quality of that piece of wood and the story that it tells, it's just a one-off, isn't it? Just unique. Absolutely love it. Medieval Gruel Bowl.